Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Zohanim, roll number 21 TE01. Today I will be discussing lab number 10 of digital signal processing. The title of this lab is Frequency Design Method. The objective of this lab is implementation of FIR filter using frequency sampling methods. Here we have the task 1. In this task we have to implement our example 7.13 using a MATLAB program. Here we have defined our sampling frequency, then we have the magnitude specifications and the design of the filter. We are calculating the frequency response using the frequency z function and the magnitude specifications are given. So for the output we have so now for the output, here is the output. Moving on to task 2. Here we are about to implement example 7.14, that is to design a linear phase band pass FIR filter by 25 coefficients using the frequency sampling method. Here is the MATLAB code for this. Here we again have our sampling frequency, the magnitude specifications, and we are designing the filter. Order is incremented to produce the even numbers, and we are calculating the magnitude response using the frequency z function. Now for the output, here is the output. For task 3, we are about to implement the problem 7.13 to 7.18 and we are calculating the magnitude response and the phase response of the filters. So here we have problem 13 and then we also have problem 14 here. Here problem 14 starting that in which we have to implement a high pass filter, and here in the problem 13 we are about to implement a low pass filter. This is the magnitude response for problem 13 and this is the magnitude response from problem 14. In this problem 7.15 and 7.16 we have to implement the 5-tap low pass filter, and in 16 we have to implement 5-tap high pass filter using the frequency sampling method. Here we have problem 7.15 and then we have problem 7.16 using the same previous methods. Here is the magnitude response of 7.15 and for this is the 7.16. Now we have problem 7.17, that is we have a 7-tap FIR bandpass filter. The lower cutoff frequency is 1500 Hz and the upper cutoff is 3000. The sampling rate is 8000 and we have to design the filter using the frequency sampling design method. So for the output, here we have the lower cutoff, the higher cutoff and the sampling frequency. Then we have the number of taps and we are calculating the normalized cutoff frequency. Then we have the frequency sampling method and the magnitude response of the filter. Then we are plotting the responses. Here's the magnitude response, here we have the phase response, and these are the transfer function coefficients. And we have also displayed the transfer function coefficient in the text here. Moving on to the last task, here we have problem 7.18. Here we have to implement a 7-tap FIR band reject filter with a lower cutoff of 1500 Hz and an upper cutoff frequency of 3000 Hz. The sampling rate is again 8000 Hz and we have to use the frequency sampling design method. For this we again have the same codes with a few changes. The output is, here is the band rejected band that we have to ignore, and this is the phase response, and here are the transfer function coefficients. Thank you so much for watching.